Hey, wait, don't scroll. What if I told you that your gaming passion could actually earn you money in 2025? Yup, you heard that right. This isn't clickbait. This is real. You can make money just by playing video games. And the best part? You don't even need a high-end gaming PC or fancy setup to get started. Gaming is no longer just a hobby. It's a full-blown career option. And if you live in India, now is the absolute best time to jump in. More gamers, more content creators, more viewers than ever before. There's a community out there waiting to connect with you. All you need is a mid-tier PC or even a console like a PS5 or Xbox. Pair that with a decent internet connection, and boom, you're ready. So how do you make money playing games? Let me introduce you to Twitch. It's one of the biggest live streaming platforms in the world where gamers stream their gameplay live, chat with viewers, and earn money while doing it. Now I know Twitch isn't as popular in India yet, but that's exactly why you should jump in now. You'll be one of the early creators to make a mark. And when Twitch starts booming here, you'll already have a head start. To start earning, you just need to become a Twitch affiliate. What does that mean? Simple. Stream for 8 hours total in a month. Get at least 50 followers. An average just 3 viewers per stream. That's it. Once you're an affiliate, you start getting paid through subscriptions, bits, which are like Twitch currency, and even ads during your streams. Let me tell you how I did it. I started streaming Marvel Rivals and some chill solo games, just for fun. I stayed consistent for 10 days straight, shared my Twitch link on Instagram and Threads, and asked my friends to drop by. Within 10 days, boom, I hit affiliate. And just a week after that, I got my first Twitch payout from ads and subs. Think it'll be expensive to play popular games? Think again. There's a treasure trove of free-to-play games that are insanely fun and have massive communities. Here are some of the top ones. Fortnite, PUBG, Battlegrounds, Rocket League, Warframe, League of Legends, Marvel Rivals. Plus, Epic Games gives out 2 free games every week. Just click and claim. No payment, no strings attached. And if you're an Amazon Prime user, don't forget to check out Prime Gaming. They offer free full games and in-game content every month, worth thousands of rupees. Still not sure what to stream? Don't worry. Focus on what you love. Whether it's competitive gaming, casual chill gameplay, or even tutorials, there's an audience for everything. You can also create content on YouTube Shorts, Reels, and TikTok to promote your Twitch streams and grow faster. So let's recap. You love gaming. You have a PC or console. You're ready to turn passion into income. Then what are you waiting for? Start streaming to Twitch, build your community, and start earning as you play. And hey, if you found this helpful, comment below with your favorite free game and subscribe so you don't miss more tips like this. Let 2025 be the year you game smart, not just for fun, but for the future.